Perry the Platypus.
Hello, Doug. Hi, everybody. Hello. My name is Joe. I work in the butt. No, you're not. No. No moss.
No moss, Poppy.
No moss, Poppy. Poppy noches. Okay, Doug. Stop it!